The extraordinary adventure of Emma. In a tranquil corner of the kingdom lived Emma, a princess filled with justice and kindness. Emma had been trained to be a fair and brave leader. However, when the kingdom lost its peace, Emma's true power emerged. One day, the enchanted forest of the kingdom was engulfed by a dangerous darkness. The creatures living in the forest had fallen under the influence of a mysterious power and were behaving aggressively. Emma decided to take immediate action for the safety of her people. Bravely venturing into the forest alone, Emma sought to uncover the origin of the mysterious darkness. Along the way, she was accompanied by a friendly and loyal bird, her trusted companion. As she delved deeper into the forest, she courageously overcame the obstacles in her path. Eventually, Emma reached a castle ruled by a mysterious sorcerer at the heart of the forest. The sorcerer was using the forest for their own malicious intentions and was ready to use any means to stop Emma. Facing the sorcerer with her courage and wit, Emma's good intentions and sense of justice proved to be her strongest weapons. After a challenging battle, Emma defeated the sorcerer and restored the forest to its former state. Upon her return to the kingdom, Emma was hailed as a hero. Her courage and determination garnered great admiration among the kingdom's people. Emma proved that being a princess was not just about wearing a crown, it was also about embodying courage and kindness in the heart. Under Emma's leadership, the kingdom once again found peace and prosperity. She had proven herself always ready to fulfill the responsibilities of princesshood and leadership.